How to connect the device to the FontCircle app. Open the FontCircle app. A new device found prompt will appear automatically. Tap Add as my device. Method 2. Go to the device. Tap Add Devices. Use Auto Detect and tap plus to add. Method 3. Go to Device. Add Devices. Choose Add manually. Real-time measurement sync. View history data. Return to the home page. Tap 3D ruler to view your measurement history.